Good day everyone, I am Nino A. Kando and I am the last reporter of Group 2. So today I'll be discussing about the scientific revolution in India. So India has a long history of contributions to science and technology. From ancient discoveries like zero to modern research in particle science. So India has a lot of contributions to science and technology. One of them is the discovery of zero. We all know that the person who introduced and discovered zero is an Indian mathematician called Aryabhata. So after independence, the country accelerated its progress in scientific discoveries and innovation. So it states here that after independence, the country accelerated its progress. Why? Because long ago, the Indian was colonized by the Great Britain and European. So after they gained their independence, they accelerated their progress in scientific discoveries and innovation. Today, India continues to advance in cutting-edge areas such as space missions, neutrino research, gravitational waves, scramjets, and other emerging technologies. So, the Indians are creatively developing various ideas and technologies useful in their everyday lives. The Indians are known for being creative and innovative. And their iron steel is considered to be the best and held with high regard in the whole of Roman Empire. So, Indians are known for manufacturing metallurgical works, and they are pioneer in developing rust-free iron that was traded to Europe and Middle East. So, the rust-free iron that they develop are called the wood steel. It is a high carbon crucible steel and it has a distinct banded pattern, and it is widely known for being tough. So next is Ayurveda, a system of traditional medicine that originated in ancient India before 2500 BC. Is still practiced as a form of alternative medicine. So Ayurveda is an ancient Indian system of medicine. It is originated over 2,500 years ago. So it focuses on natural healing, it uses herbs, and it practices healthy diet and lifestyle to balance body and mind. That is Ayurveda. So next, they discovered some medical properties of plants that lead them to cure various illness. So, ancient Indians discovered that certain plants had healing properties, which they used to create medicines. So, that's why they create the Ayurveda. Because first, they observe nature. Then, after they observed the natures, they experimented with plants, and then they developed remedies. So, remedies is a treatment or solution used to cure a disease. So, the Susruta Samhita describes different surgical and other medical procedures famous in ancient India. So, this Susruta Samhita is an ancient Indian medical text that describes various surgical procedures, medical techniques, and treatments. That is the Susruta Samhita. It is the medicinal text or book that contains different surgical techniques and surgical procedures. So they developed theories on the universe, the spherical self-supporting earth, and the year of 360 days with 12 equal parts of 30 days. So, Indians developed ideas about Earth being round or spherical. They even developed a calendar system called Vedic calendar and Hindu calendar, also known as Panchang, that contains 1 year of 336 days, and it has 12 months and it has 30 days each every month. So, ancient India is also known for their mathematics. The earliest traces of mathematical knowledge in the Indian subcontinent appeared in the Indus Valley Civilization. These people standardized the length to high degree of accuracy and designed a ruler, the Mohenjo-daro ruler. So, ancient India made a significant contribution to mathematics. The Indus Valley Civilization developed a standardized measurement and created a precise ruler called Mohenjo-daro ruler. Next is Indian astronomer Aryabhata introduced a number of trigonometric functions, tables, and techniques, as well as algorithms of algebra. See, we all know Aryabhata, right? The founder of Zero. So, Aryabhata is an Indian astronomer and a mathematician. He lived in the 5th to 6th century. He also made a groundbreaking contributions to trigonometry. He also introduced new trigonometric functions and developed techniques. He developed algorithms in algebra that also known as the series of well-defined steps to solve a specific type of problem function, also known as mathematical recipe. So that is Aryabhata. Next is Brahmagupta, also suggested that gravity was a force of attraction and lucidly explained the use of zero as both a placeholder and decimal digit along the Hindu-Arabic numerical system now used universally throughout the world. So, Brahmagupta is an Indian mathematician and astronomer. He described gravity as a force of attraction. Then, next will be Madhava of Sagamagrama, is also considered the founder of mathematical analysis. So, Madhava of Sagamagrama is made a significant contributions in math, particularly in areas that laid groundwork for later development in calculus and analysis. Also known as the founder of mathematical analysis. So that is Madhava of Sagamagrama. So that is all for my topic, and I hope you learned a lot. Thank you and goodbye.